Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So I got 5K, 10 amps, the headway lithium batteries.
Still going here. Yeah. So you said you had headway lithium?
Yeah, headway lithium.
Okay.
And then I got a single Hutchinson 15.
Yep.
And I got some Scar coaxes up front, and then Crescendo PWX in the back for the doors.
Wow. What does it tune to real quick?
I peak at like 39.
Can't go to my
My doors, they kind of cut
myself and my ways
for the house on the do where they come, I don't know. Everyone on the club for the house on the do where they come, not the house everyone, but for the house on the
anomaly. I don't relate to.
Yeah, I'll try to get a better song. Maybe
Is it louder with the trunk open or closed?
Open.
Open? Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm surprised with it not being sealed off.
Yeah.
It's a night and day difference.
I'm not worried about music. I'm a bass person.
Yeah.
As long as you got bass, I love it.
Yeah, I don't know why. Once I get it turned down to a certain level, my doors just cut in and out, and it's like specific to song. It's, I don't know. It's so weird.
big lab in the back in the crib, smoke through the streets like an early morning fall. Mama's in the slaughter house with the hatchet, with daddy chop early morning haul. Catching Z's like an early morning saw when I would walk the racket, yawning pause. The fuck, man, I can never get sleep, man. Peek out the window, what's wrong with y'all? Can't go to my house. Myself and losing my ways for the house all night. Do what he do, I don't know. Everywhere I go for the house all night. Do what he do, I don't know. Anyone but for the house all night. Property, I'm overpaid entirely. I'm holding a monopoly. I'm closed away. I brought them see my throwaways are coveting. I'm known to make them calling me the golden age of prophecy, but don't parade my modesty. It's overrated, honestly. They know my name, but not the meaning. Tokens, a anomaly. I don't relate to. Catching Z's like an early morning saw when I walk to the racket, yawning balls. The fuck, man, I can never get sleep, man. Look out the window, what's wrong with y'all? People saying, my
Awesome.
Thank you for the demo. What's
Hey,
your name?
thank you. Michael Kelso.
Michael. All right, Michael. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.